Hello. I hope you can see me and hear me. Welcome to Maths with Miss Live. This is just a little introduction to tell you what's going to be coming up in the days and weeks ahead. So tomorrow at 10 o'clock, I'm going to be starting doing live lessons. So they will be every weekday, 10 o'clock in the morning. So perhaps you can pop it in your calendar. So you've got 9 o'clock PE with Joe, 10 o'clock, a bit of maths with Miss, and then some of you might have been doing some of the English with Holly sessions at 11 o'clock. They're still running on a Friday. Okay, make it part of your morning. Okay, so this is going to be geared specifically at year sixes, transitioning into year seven. So a lot of the work that I've prepared is based on the SATs that the year six students would have taken had the exams gone ahead. So having said that, there's going to be lots of nice extension questions that would be great for the year sevens, just to consolidate the work they've done so far. And what a brilliant way to get a little bit up to speed over the summer with your maths if you're in year five. So please do join me. If you're anywhere between the age of 8 and 12, just okay, so a little bit about me. I'm a maths teacher. I teach at a school in East London in Dagenham. I'm a Key Stage 3 teacher. And I just can't wait to get started, to be honest. There's been a few technological problems along the way, but we're good to go, hopefully. So that's me. What about you? Let's have a little think about what I need from you. Well, firstly, you're going to need a pen and pencil. Try and have 2 pens if you can, different colours, particularly when it comes to marking. A book would be fantastic. So maybe you might have your maths book, something like this. Perhaps you could use your maths book if you have one. If not, just a notebook or some paper would be obviously really, really handy. A ruler would be great, so you can set your work out neatly. And you don't need to worry about a calculator. You won't be needing a calculator for the work that we'll be doing. And then, most importantly of all, your brain. We need your brain. We need for about half an hour every day for you to be fully focused, ready to go. Half an hour of maths. Okay, the mantra is little and often. If we do a little bit of maths every day over the next few weeks, it's going to make a massive, massive difference when we all return to school fully, hopefully in September. Okay, so that's what I need from you. I'm also going to need a grid, a 10 by 10 grid from you drawn out so you're ready to start, but I can explain a little bit more about that in a moment. Okay, so actually I'm just going to mention how important I like work to be set out really, really neatly. And I just thought I'd do a little bit of an example here. I hope you can see this. So I just had a little play around this evening, and hopefully you can see I've got my date, I've got my title all neatly underlined, and then I've got my margin down the left-hand side with my numbers, and then I've written the question to make it really, really that you're using that in your schools when you return in September as well. But it's not just going to be lots and lots of maths questions. We're going to have a bit of fun. We're going to do some activities, maybe some puzzles, maybe a quiz, some tricks perhaps, which I love, to see if you can then challenge your parents, challenge your siblings, if I can teach you a few little tricks of the trade as well. So that's it for now. I cannot wait to get started, and I hope I will get to see lots of you tomorrow and in the coming weeks. This is the grid I mentioned. It's just a 10 by 10 grid. If you do get a chance to draw one out, that would be amazing. Thank you.